Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the image format type in virtualization and the conversion of the image format. Like in vSphere ESXI, the image format is vmdk, and in Hyper-V we have VHD and VHDX, and VirtualBox it's a VDI, and some Linux virtualization infrastructure like in Zen and KVM, the image format is QCOW2 and the raw format. If anybody want to run one virtualization infrastructure file image format to another, it should be converted to a target infrastructure first. For that, we used QEMU image function command line utility. So let's take a look at the non format first. The known formats we have QCOW, which is used in KVM, and then we have QED, specifically for KVM infrastructure, and there is a raw format and VDI for VirtualBox, and VHD for Hyper-V, and vmdk for VMware. Here we are going to discuss about the QEMU. The QEMU is a free emulator that perform hardware virtualization. QEMU allow us to create, modify, and convert images offline. So here we are going to discuss about the QEMU image conversion functionality. First, we have to install the QEMU on our Linux box. Let's take a look. Let me open the root. Here we have to install the QEMU. Oh, sorry. apt-get install QEMU. So here is a package that the size of this package is around 339 MB. Okay, yes, I want to install. So we have successfully installed the QEMU image disk utility in our Linux box. Next we are going to perform a conversion exercise. So let's take a look. Here I have a QCOW2 image format. Okay, let me show you. It's a KDC dot QCOW2. There is a command QEMU image. First I'm going to run the file information KDC. Here is the file information. The file type is QCOW2. This was the image format of Zen virtualization infrastructure. Previously, the image is running on Linux. So the actual size of the virtual disk is 1.0 terabyte. So here we are going to convert QCOW2 into vmdk. So the command is QEMU dot convert -f is an optional parameter. Here we have to mention the source file extension. It's QCOW2 and then file name. -f QCOW2 are going to perform a conversion activity. Take a look at the file before going to perform the conversion. Here we have a 2TB QCOW2 file. The command is QEMU dash image convert -f file type. After that we will mention the source file extension. It is QCOW2. Okay, then source file name, and then destination file. Before mentioning the target file, you have to mention the output type. It's vmdk, and then on the same path you are going to convert QCOW to vmdk. Mention the file name vmdk. Typing mistake, let me correct vmdk. So let me show you on another window screen. On the same terminal you cannot view the file that is currently being converted, as the prompt is busy. You have to Okay, let me show you the current status of the file which we have started for the conversion. Let me go to the path that is it was media. Okay, here you can see we have ldch.vmdk. Creation time is 3 pass of 1 and April 8, and the size is around 13 GB. So I just paused because it needs around 1 terabyte space, though right now I don't have much space. So it's just for testing purposes. Further we can create a test image, and as we know, we can create, modify and convert virtual disk images with QEMU image disk utility. So here we are going to create a test disk image, QEMU-image, create -f, type is vmdk, and file name, and the size is 10 GB. Okay, -LE, so you can see lhdc.vmdk has been created. So QEMU-image info lhdc.vmdk. Sorry, it's a QEMU. So it's a vmdk file type, 10 gigabytes. The file information. Here we are going to perform the conversion on this file. So QEMU-image -f. First we are going to mention the source file is vmdk type, and the source file name is this, and the output vdi lhdc.vdi. Okay, can omit the file. think here we are going to convert this vmdk QEMU dash image convert -f vmdk. Okay, the file name and then output type and the output file name dot VDI virtualbox type and VDI. So here you can look vmdk.vdi has been converted. The actual size is around 4 GB. So we can take the information of this file image -info vmdk.vdi. QEMU. So the command is QEMU-image info vmdk.vdi. The size is 10 GB. So with this image utility, we can create any type of images, like we have mentioned vmdk qcow2 qcow2 vdi hdx, which is vpc and QEMU, and then is raw. So the basic command is QEMU dash image convert and then the output source file type and source file name, then we have output type -o and then output file name with the appropriate parameter. With that we can convert the source image into target image. Hello, here we are going to discuss about QEMU on Windows. So for Windows, you have to visit qemu.org, go to download section and select Windows and get 32-bit or 64-bit, which is appropriate for your operating system. Download the package and install. After installing, go to the path that would be in your program files. There you can find a lot of library files. Just type QEMU QEMU-image convert and the parameter would be remain same. That was let's example, we are converting a VM QCOW2 and test.QCOW2 minus output type file name dot into vmdk and the file name test.vmdk. Okay, press enter. So your file will be converted. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.